Focus Photography. Focus Photography. Capturing memories of lifetime.
But I run to make us spray you on my dollar now. Parade for my body, yeah. Drop my ground to make it burn my piggy. Oh, Gechi, come on. Anyway, baby, come on. I don't go lie, I need your love, I need your love, I need your love, I need your love.
Hi, Cony. Munabena kulimba kwenda ino. Akwenda ino.
Misuwa jona jeles. Mutwegu no manelese. Oh, I know what you request. We vayo je see. No. Take a kuchupai. Take a good sweet medication. Me and me a shida gani. Ondazo mukwano mungi wakugugo kusinga bangi nsomose emiga mingi nga noonya masine first aid. Hakuna dawa, baby you're the only one dawa. Hakuna dawa, otali moyo gunuma. Hakuna dawa, baby you're the only one dawa.
Ben came as a visitor in our home. He stayed as a foreigner. Finally, he has come home.
As she has introduced him to us as a family, I, together with the rest of my family, do accept Ben to be born into my family as my son-in-law.
Nganonya masine first aid. Hakuna dawa, baby you're the only one dawa. Hakuna dawa, otali moyo gunuma.
Dear Father, I want to thank you so much for giving birth to this beautiful woman and raising her to be a very God-fearing, disciplined woman and educating her. For that case, I give you this small token of appreciation.
Up and down, over, love you, mukuku, over. Hey, to your love, girl, love me down. Unazo mkwano muji, wakukuko kusinga banji. Nsomo se emiga minji, nganonya masine first aid. Hakuna dawa, baby you're the only one dawa. Hakuna dawa, otali moyo gunuma.
Inagnation ya sulani ka kodege ka Abraham, kodege ka Isaka, kodege ka Jacob. Ilipagin shongo yonu kere kokoror ka papa kokoku kemoyo kala kalaunan.